Baking Technician for Class 9th, Unit 3, Food Microbiology. Session 3, Shelf Life Evaluation. Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Baking Technician for Class 9th, Unit 3, Food Microbiology. In the previous video, you have learned about types of microorganisms, handling and disposal of contaminated bakery products. In this video, you will learn about shelf life evaluation. Students, I think you must have heard the idiom selling like hotcakes. The idiom has derived its origin from an idea that people always like to eat freshly baked items. But due to population increase and changes in lifestyles, it is not always possible for people to have access to freshly baked items. In response to these challenges, the companies came forward with many additives and preservatives which could increase the shelf life and freshness of the bakery products. Now let us first understand what is shelf life. Shelf life denotes the length of time that a commodity may be stored without becoming unfit for use, consumption or sale. In other words, the time duration for which the food products remain safe and fit for consumption and having feature of desired sensory, chemical and physical characteristics. Shelf life of bakery products varies from product to product depending upon its composition, moisture content and its condition of storage. For example, bread has a short shelf life due to high moisture content, whereas cookies have longer shelf life due to low moisture content in it. Similarly, if bread is stored at high temperature, it will have shorter shelf life than the same bread stored at low temperature. Now let us know about the factors affecting the shelf life of baked products. The factors affecting the shelf life includes: first is the reaction with the oxygen or light, second is time, third is physical stress or abuse, fourth is inappropriate temperature, fifth is infestation by insect, parasites and rodents, sixth is food enzymes and other chemical reactions within the food itself, seventh is microorganism, and eighth is gain or loss of moisture. Let us now also understand about the ways to extend the shelf life of the bakery products. Shelf life extension is a set of methods to keep food safe for long periods, still maintaining its original quality. Advancement in recent bakery processing technologies and new ingredients innovation have led to significant shelf life extension. Let us now see different types of shelf life extension methods. First is physical method. The bakery industry has traditionally relied on the use of physical methods to extend the shelf life of the bakery products. Ultraviolet light, infrared radiation, ultra high pressure are some of the techniques employed for that purpose. Ultraviolet light is a powerful antibacterial treatment and used to control the occurrence of mold and spores. Direct ultraviolet radiation on the surfaces of wrapped bakery products increases their shelf life. Second is chemical method. Chemical preservatives such as calcium propionate, sorbate, benzoate, etc. are extensively used so as to restrict and inhibit the growth of spoilage organisms such as mold and row bacteria in bakery products. Sourdough. In olden days, bread with a long shelf life was obtained mechanically using a traditional long process known as sourdough. It is prepared using a sourdough starter which is alive in fermented culture. The live fermented culture is a natural leavening agent and is made from flour and water. Sourdough has a unique flavor, chewy texture and crisp, crackly crust. Last is packaging. Packaging is meant to extend the shelf life of packaged foods and maintain or improve the condition of food by creating a barrier between food and any outer contaminants. Packaging also helps in communicating information about the products and prohibits the contact of food with any unfavorable conditions like moisture, air, etc. So students, let us summarize what we have learned in this session. Shelf life denotes the length of time that a commodity may be stored without becoming unfit for use, consumption or sale. In other words, it is the time duration for which the food products remain safe and fit for consumption and having features of desired sensory, chemical and physical characteristics. The factors affecting the shelf life includes reaction with oxygen and or light, time, physical stress or abuse, inappropriate temperature, infestation by insects, parasites and rodents, food enzymes and other chemical reactions within the food itself, microorganisms like bacteria, yeast and molds, and gain or loss of moisture. Ways to extend the shelf life of the bakery products include: first, physical method, chemical method, third is sourdough, and last is packaging. So students, that is all from this session. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning. Thank you.